like think a concreter. He's just bending
Yeah.
like a poor deadlift. Sorry, they're doing 1,000 reps a day of poor deadlifts, and then they might tie their shoelace or they might even sneeze and their back goes. It's that accumulation of spinal flexion and load that sort of eventually, and then they come to me, and then I avoid spinal flexion. I don't know. I was under the understanding when I went to a few of those lock things that you just got to keep neutral spine for a while. You don't want to until like the discs heal properly. Just stay away from a bit of spinal flexion. I do like Jefferson curls, which is heaps like spinal flexion. So
I watch you.
They're no.
I watch you at the gym. Like fucking hate. I know how painful.
No Jefferson curls for back pain clients.
100%,
we take that out straight away.